Teacher-designed lesson plans encompass the activities of both students and teachers during a class session/lesson/topic, hereinafter collectively referred to as lesson, to help students meet the specified learning requirements. These plans are proactively and flexibly executed by teachers, tailored to the student audience, and aligned with the teaching conditions. They ensure the highest effectiveness, are regularly adjusted and supplemented to suit the student population and teaching conditions. Lesson plans should comply with Appendix 3 of Official Dispatch No. 2345. During implementation, teachers refer to the lesson plan framework below to construct lesson plans appropriate to the actual situation, subject characteristics, educational activities, convenience during implementation, ensuring scientific, flexible, and effective planning. The first section is learning objectives. We can also call this section achievement requirements, or requirements to be met, or learning outcomes, etc., based on the content outlined in the curriculum and educational activities. Teachers actively utilize textbooks, teaching aids, and educational materials to define specific learning objectives suitable for the student audience, school characteristics, and local context. These objectives should clearly state what students will accomplish, apply in real-life problem solving, and develop in terms of character and capabilities. The second section is teaching aids and materials. Preparation of teaching aids and materials necessary for conducting the lesson is listed in this section. The third section is main teaching and learning activities. Teachers actively organize flexible, creative, and diverse teaching activities based on the nature of the lesson, introduction of new knowledge, practical application, review, subject characteristics, educational activities, and suitability for the student. Student learning activities include opening activities, warm-up, connection, new knowledge formation, experience, exploration, analysis, new knowledge formation, practice, and application activities to discover and solve real-life problems. These activities can be organized individually, in groups, or as a class, depending on the purpose and nature of each activity, ensuring that each student has the opportunity to independently perform learning tasks or practical experiences. Teacher activities involve organizing, guiding, and supporting student learning activities, creating a friendly learning environment, introducing challenging situations to encourage active student participation, self-evaluation, or group evaluation of their learning products, discovering personal abilities and aspirations, fostering study habits, and promoting self-learning abilities. The third section is main teaching and learning activities. Teachers actively organize flexible, creative, and diverse teaching activities based on the nature of the lesson, introduction of new knowledge, practical application, review, subject characteristics, educational activities, and suitability for the student. Learning objectives should break down the task and focus on specific cognitive processes. During lesson implementation, teachers need to pay attention to the following contents. A. Task assignment. Clearly and appropriately assign learning tasks, reflecting the problem, instructing how to complete them, and specifying the required product when assigning tasks. Make task assignments dynamic, engaging, and stimulating students' interest in learning. B. Student task execution. Encourage student collaboration, mutual assistance when completing learning tasks. Promptly identify students' difficulties and provide timely, appropriate, and effective support. Do not overlook any student. C. Student presentation and discussion. The form of presenting results should match the content of the lesson and positive teaching techniques should be used. Encourage students to exchange ideas and discuss the lesson content. Handle emerging pedagogical situations reasonably. D. Feedback and evaluation. Provide feedback on the process of completing learning tasks. Analyze, comment, and evaluate the results of task completion, the opinions, discussions of students to help students develop interest, confidence in learning, and improve learning outcomes. Accurately consolidate the knowledge that students have learned through activities.